Hi everyone, I am back. I have a card to share with you today. I did a winter card. This is one of the winter cards that I wanted to do using these cute critters from Hello Bluebird. The stamp set's called, let me see, it's called Bunny Hill. The sentiment I use still in my Misty. My new Misty actually I just received from the collaboration we did with the Rabbit Hole Designs and My Sweet Petunia. So that is an awesome new Misty that I am so happy to have. Anyways, so I made a card using this set I use this die. I don't know what it's called, but I will link it down below. And it made me make this easy cute card. I also colored a bunch of other ones here using my Copic markers. And for the glitter I used Lawn Fawn chunky glitter, and for the snow here I used let me see, I used Pumice Stone with my Cottontail blender brush, so that was easy. And then I just stamped the tree with Fog, Simon Says Stamp, and I think the blue is Simon Says Stamp also. I'm not sure what the color is, but I'll link that below if you are interested in that. And that's it. So I hope you like my card. I hope you joined my giveaway. It's the one right before this one. And I will be back soon with another project or crafty haul or something. So have a good day and make sure you're subscribed. Thank you. Bye.